Hello everyone, welcome to the Lernen Admin Panel overview. In this video, we will take a closer look at all the features available to you as an admin. Starting with the powerful menu management section, this area allows you to effectively manage the navigation structure of your platform, ensuring an optimal experience for the users. To begin, navigate to the menus option located under the site management in the left-hand sidebar. This will open up the menu management interface where you can customize the layout and content of your platform's navigation menus. Once you are in this section, you will see a clean and intuitive interface divided into two primary areas, the Pages section on the left and the menu title configuration on the right. Let's start with the Pages section first. Here you'll see a list of all the key pages on your platform that can be added to your menu. This includes important pages like Home, FAQ, How It Works, About Us, Terms and Conditions, and Privacy Policy. To add any of these pages to your site navigation, simply check the box next to the page you want to include. Now let's talk about adding a new menu item. Begin by entering a suitable title for your menu in the menu title field on the right. This title will appear in your site's navigation bar. After that, select the position where you want this menu to appear. You have the option to add this menu to the header or to the footer. These settings ensure that your menus are placed exactly where you want them. For even more flexibility, the custom URL section allows you to link to the external websites or custom web pages. Simply add a descriptive label in the Add Label field and then enter the corresponding URL. This feature is especially useful for linking to the resources or external content that may be relevant to your users. To make changes in the existing menus, you can use the Select menu to edit drop-down in the upper right corner. Here you can quickly switch between the different menus and modify them as needed, keeping your platform's navigation always up to date. After making any additions or edits, remember to click the Save Menu button. This step is crucial to ensure all your updates are successfully applied to your platform.